Hello, this is Giuseppe Conti, the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning. Many people are thinking or doing an executive MBA to make a big career shift. Now, how do you sell effectively your executive MBA inside the company or externally? Let's listen to some ideas from some of the executive MBA students at HEC Paris.
I would explain what it brought in terms of personal transformation, more than technical skills.
I would like to, I prefer to put in advance the opportunities that this EMBA brings in terms of networking and my capabilities to work in other services than on my main experience.
Take action. I will give him at first figures on the return on investment for executive MBA, and then I will tell him actually what I can apply for my EMBA on my job. What I learned is that timing is key. During a negotiation, you need to be the last to fire. So the idea is to talk about the figure at the end.
Networking. It's a lot about networking.
Well, attending a negotiation workshop can indeed give you good ideas, also to be effective in career negotiation. To check more on negotiation and influencing, look at our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.